And in other news today, Eskom announces that the power supply will remain tight. This after it had to implement emergency load shedding last night. The power utility lost its capacity when 2 of its units tripped after the supply from Kabora Basa was unexpectedly interrupted. Eskom anticipates that the system will remain tight tomorrow between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. and appeals to all its energy users to use electricity sparingly. And now we cross over to Chris.
Sourcing and securing areas of profitable growth in the ICT sector is a vital component of the 5 strategic objectives of the Dimension Data NEO strategy. Finding new and innovative ways of playing in non-traditional spaces ensures Dimension Data longevity and sustainable growth in our market. Our next generation data center and hosting space have presented opportunity for the growth we seek. Essentially, we found a way to drive up our growth margins, bring down business complexity while moving forward with the latest technology. The announcement today will explain why we feel we've lost out in the service provider market and possible reasons for us looking at re-entering it.
Thank you very much for that insert. That certainly does shed some light. But I'm sure our viewers are also wondering, does DD actually have expertise in this field? Is this an acquisition? Is this a partnership? I wonder, could they give us a hint? Well, fortunately for us, in studio I have one of the DD execs, Mohammed.
Takani, thanks for having me in the studio today. But we as Dimension Data, we've assembled the right team because if you look at our long-term strategy, we're looking at doubling our business, creating value for our clients through our people. So our people are quite key to us. And the team that we've put together is a team of strategic analysts, business analysts, business development managers, somebody from IS Internet Solutions, somebody from Plessy, and also somebody from advanced infrastructure. As you can see that we've assembled team from different lines of businesses just to give us more in-depth into the topic that we're going to be dealing with. It's quite important that we also acknowledge that we also got a team member who is a Capetonian. But he's always very fired up when we talk about the topic around the service provider business, how we want to re-enter that market and how we lost out of that market. He's always very fired up, and we usually make a joke to say, but you're a Capetonian, you're supposed to be laid back. But because of his passion and fire for the Dimension Data business, he seemed to be very energetic around making sure Dimension Data achieves strategy and growth from that point of view. You would also notice that the team is quite diverse. You can hear the way I'm speaking quite very weirdly. I hope the viewers could actually understand the words that are coming out of my mouth. But we've got a fantastic team, and I'm very, 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 very passionate about the team that we have, and I think we can really do justice to this topic and also bring strategic and I would like to use the word novel value to the business in itself. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that, Mohammed. And now we'll take a short little break, but after the break I have another awesome guest joining us. Welcome back. In studio with me I have Ranjit, who is here to discuss an issue that everybody in the ICT sector is grappling with. The issue of what we should do from a management perspective for our technical talent in the organization in our new business environment. Ranjit?
Of a technical organization is its technical people, i.e. the engineers. Recently, DD seems to be losing a lot of valuable, professional, and competent technical resources to many of our competitors, which is very worrying. This has really left a little bit of a black mark with our clients, who really trust and rely on DD to deliver on rich competence from a technical point of view as a renowned system integrator. In a frantic attempt to whitewash the black marks that we've created, we resort to employing people who pick up the pieces from a non-existent handover. And by the time he gets to speed with the actual work that needs to be done, the damage is already done. The client leaves and we've lost revenue. And hence the vicious cycle continues. I strongly believe that technical talent is the key to delivering world-class service to our clients. And it is important that we demonstrate this with our actions and the support that we give our technical talent in this company.
We've run out of time. Thank you very much for joining us. This is Takani signing out for Synergy Network News. Good night.